Hey everybody, Yugi Bozo here again. We had a trophy tournament today. I got my teammate finally on the channel, Austin Deal. He got first place, X1. I got second place, X1. I was his only loss. I lost once in the Swiss. We have the worst packs ever. So we're going to, I guess, take the droplet challenge. I'll let you go first on yours, and then I'll do mine next. He played tier elements, by the way.
Already opened this pack out.
I played blue.
We got nothing.
Yeah.
Let's see. Give me a second. I'll get it upside down.
Not a problem. Take your time.
This set sucks. Dude. This is so bad.
This is what we get.
It's like a droplet or Abyss Feller got like a print, right?
I think so. I'm not for sure. Oh, you got
nothing.
Ultra. This is why we go to TGE.
Get better pull. Dude, there's no super or anything? It's just rares?
Oh, what? It's all common, ain't it?
Is that normal?
That's an error pack.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just kidding.
Oh.
Nobody knows because nobody opens up this shit ass set.
I got one box ever, and that's what I won. You TT?
Oh, you got another
Are you
screen
sure?
here.
That's not very good.
Oh,
that's right. Yeah, it's rare super. Okay.
I don't know.
Rare super ultra. That's like a C. You pull anything? I do need droplets though.
I'm gonna pull the droplets. I can feel it.
Are there starlights in here?
I think it is just droplets.
Collectors?
No, I think
No, it's Ghost Rare. Ghost Rare. Yeah.
No.
Oh, I thought it was Abyss Feller.
Yeah, that's not bad for our 2014 we played.
Yeah, I would like
Dude,
that.
that'd be
awesome.
Trade it for an ulti.
I can summon it now. I do that.
That is true.
I don't know that. I've never seen that in my entire life.
Nobody has a clue.
Yeah.
Not a clue.
Something for the next.
Not droplets. Yo. So, I got a rare.
You got two packs that was rares.
Yeah, I was saying the lowest you can get is just rare.
I think we need to, if you guys know, let us know in the comments.
It's all.
We're not listening to John
Hey,
anymore.
nobody's gonna know.
Look at it. He just pulled only a rare in that.
This set come out 2 years ago?
A rare and a super.
Came out
That's so
earlier
weird.
this year. You can get just a rare and super, or just a super. It looked like.
I hate this set. Why? Why'd they do that?
It's got terrible cards in it, except for droplets. And no money at all.
It's getting worse.
Just eat that one.
Eat it?
Trash man, ain't nothing good in it.
It's last pack
Eat
magic
it?
or eat it.
No, he ain't gonna.
Just chomp the shit out of it. Alright, let's see with a droplet.
Eater of billions right there.
If it's either a million.
Your card shop, you need a coin.
Oh, thank God, dude.
I
know, dude. I was terrified.
I gotta open up mine now.
I wouldn't need it, man.
There we go. The screen will go off. That's how
Yeah, I
it's
gotcha.
Yeah, Nick freaked out last time.
Brian, you gotta eat the last pack too.
Ooh.
What is this?
Not hungry.
Brian's Chaos Draw.
Is it?
No.
Alright, I got all the crap packs.
What do you mean? You still got like 10 more.
It's just a regular pack.
It can't be worse than mine.
I got 3 rares in a row. And worse than yours.
Yeah. So that's another Brian's.
Feels like
Yeah.
Konami punished us with this.
Yeah. This was a butt whooping. You want a droplet reprint? Or you better you better earn it.
Well, I mean, it was a charity event, bro. They're like, you want a freaking.
Oh, you're talking about the charity event?
This
Yeah.
was the charity event, and this is what we got shipped.
Yeah.
That's probably because they knew it was coming in with bad cans.
What do you mean? I brought Chef Boyardee. Yeah, we rock Chef Boyardee, bro.
Wow, dude, we knocked it out of the park.
The cashier was like, "Is that mac and cheese any good?" I was like, "Oh fucking no."
It could be.
Won't you try it?
I got nothing but rare.
4, bro. What are you doing?
I thought I started with attacks like Connor.
Dude, I'm not hearing anybody pog champing either. Nobody got anything.
No.
Got 8 people here. Oh, yo.
Got the regular
Oh, I thought that was. I thought that was honor art.
All right.
I wonder if that was worth anything at all.
Man, I got a torrential. That's about the coolest thing.
I get that.
Whatever the hell that
I
is.
gotta eat one for good luck.
I'm not eating this.
What do you mean?
Dude, it'll kill my diet. This thing's shit as fuck.
Yeah, it's got fiber, bro.
Yeah, I'll bend it.
Okay.
It's completely bent.
See what it is.
No.
Okay.
We'll take it.
It's not bad.
You can get it.
Yeah, you got the couple Brian's Chaos Straws. Here you go. It's Barry's.
Alright, well, that was it for today. You want to get his deck profile. It's not for the new format, it's still old format. If you want to see Austin's deck profile, let me know.
I don't want to see it.
It's he played it pretty roughly. He's new with the deck, you could tell. It's okay. Other than that, just hit me up and let me know what you guys think. If you want more, if you want in live duel like deck profiles or anything like that, or just 2014 stuff. 2014, yeah, I love my 2014. Let me know. Comment down below. Subscribe. Catch you guys later.